Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your pivot table to a regular table. Now these steps are very simple, so let's get in. As you can see here, I've got a pivot table, and what you want to do is click anywhere on your pivot table. Now on your keyboard, you want to hold in Control and tap on A. Now this will go ahead and select the entire pivot table. Now what you want to do is hold in Control and tap on C. Now this will copy the entire pivot table. Now the next thing you want to do is go over to the space where we would like to paste your data and create your table. So let's say I want to do it over here. We are going to hold in Control and we are going to tap on V. All right. Alternatively, you can have that cell selected. You can right click and you can use the paste options. The second one, the pasting of values. Okay, now while your data is still selected, just quickly you can either hold in Control and tap on T. This will allow you to create a table as such, and then you can go ahead and you can customize the look and feel of that table. If this was a helpful video, go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.